Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about shoes. The Kelly and Katie brand of shoes from DSW. This is not sponsored. It's going to be a little haul. I got 3 things. I'm also waiting for my blow dryer to show up. I got the Wavytalk blow dryer that I saw on TikTok. It's like a diffuser. It's supposed to be really fast and stuff. We're going to really test that out. It's out for delivery right now, so if it gets here, I'll show you a close-up of me unboxing it. If not, we're going to save it for the next video just to see how well it works, because I am trying to keep my hair curly. I straightened it for Valentine's Day. Now it's time to get back to business because I'm also training for a 5K and I just don't have time to deal with this, like the roots getting curly, and that's with having done absolutely nothing. So I don't know why it's curling up already, but let's get to business. Let's see these shoes. The first pair that I got are flats. These are all flats. I don't wear heels. It's just not practical for me. I have a couple in my collection, but I don't like spending money on something that I know I'm going to get very little use out of. I'm 5 foot nothing and I enjoy keeping it that way. I mean, they have a little tiny heel, but I really like the velvety material. The flower is a little bit too big for my liking. In pictures, I didn't see how big it was, but I still like it. I would have liked it without it a little bit more, but I think this is just nice. I like that it has a little ankle strap. I think it's going to look good for a little night out, you know, nothing too crazy. So I like this. I got it in a size 7. That's usually my size because I'd rather it be a little bit big than too small, but I did get this on sale. Kelly and Katie branded stuff always goes on sale pretty easily. Pair is a pair of sandals. Yes, I do wear sandals even in New York City. I know that's been a thing that like last summer and on TikTok people were like, oh, you wear, that's so gross. I don't know, I never really find it to be an issue going outside in sandals in New York City. But these are the sandals. I have them already in a solid black, but I like these because they have a little bit of white, so I feel like I'll have more options to use. I usually wear, like with certain dresses, just like a white pair of Vans or whatever kind of sneaker, Converse, but I find that they've just been getting so dirty so quickly that I feel like this might be a good alternative in the meantime while I figure that out, because I hate to, like, I'll wash them and I'll clean my sneakers, but they never come out as beautifully white as they were in the beginning. I'm manifesting my next job because the next pair are kind of like more business casual. These are the little slingbacks. They are like a neutral nude color and then the black at the front. Really cute, tiny little heel. I love these a lot. Very comfortable, and I think they'll look good for like a little business casual moment. Like I can picture myself working at a museum wearing these, or a museum gift shop, you know. Manifesting, still trying to find a new job, and then once I do, we'll be able to really kind of delve a little deeper into what's been happening. If you follow me on the other platform, you've heard a little bit about it, but I'm just looking for a job. I am job hunting, but February is just not the ideal time of the year to be looking for something, even in retail. So that's kind of been my struggle lately, but we're going to push through. We're going to see what we do. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I want to show you, because I know this is going to be a very short video. So I guess I'll just pull up the dryer here. Still out for delivery right now, but I'm just looking for a good diffuser. I already have one, so I'm going to be disappointed if I use this and it's like the same. Right now I have a really cheap like Revlon one, and this one supposed to be a little bit faster. I just find like diffusing my curly hair just doesn't give me the results that I wanted to give, but also air drying it at this point in the middle of winter is also not ideal either. I don't have the money for a Dyson right now, or like a Shark, an Air Shark. All these like blow dryers that are very popular currently, like they're a lot of money. At least for me they are. So I'm not ready. I'm not at that point yet to splurge on that. And I am thinking once again of cutting my hair a little bit more. I wasn't gonna, like I talked about it, blah blah blah, but I think I am because it's just not curling well. So I think I just have still a couple of dead ends. And my hair color, like I was thinking of maybe going redder, like doing an all over red or a light brown, but the light brown might be hard because I have the red undertones. Oh wait, I just got an email. Maybe that's it. Oh my god, it says delivered. All right, let me go run and get it. All right, it is here. Let's open it up. I don't know. Oh, I thought someone was knocking. Am I too short on this? Okay. Alrighty. Here's what it says. I can't talk today. It says, always picture perfect, high speed hair dryer. So it just opens like that. Here we have it. And I believe the attachments are magnetic. So let's see. So here it is. Unless that's a different model. Wavytalk has a lot of models. Let's see. Oh, it's magnetic. Okay, perfect. I'm super excited. It has 3 settings. And then it also comes with this as well, which I don't really use, but it's the attachment for straight hair. But I'm going to try not to be straightening my hair all the time, even though I definitely caved, obviously, for Valentine's Day. For nothing, because I didn't even get any good pictures of myself. There's literally no picture for my Instagram feed, but that's okay. Life is more than just pictures, right? You gotta live in the moment. So I got this. I'm super excited. We will do a full review, full everything on everything that's going on with this blow dryer, as well as I have another thing. I've been buying a lot of hair oils. I'm trying to hair oil now, so we're gonna test that out soon. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You know, I'm trying to get back into my love for YouTube. Like, the struggle is real, especially with Target, because there's currently a boycott happening when I went. So then I was like, as I was uploading it, I was like, oh no, I can't title this a Target self-care haul because it's gonna look really insensitive. So apologies for that if you did see that and if I offended anyone. I've been in my own world of just disasters that I wasn't thinking about what was going on with the world, I guess. Very self-centered, Janie. Anyway, if you made it to the end, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.